I'd like to give you a tip about abdominal massage. Abdominal massage is one of the most wonderful things you can do. Although it's nice to have a firm core, you must always check you can breathe into the core. But a firm core is not the only thing that offers strength. Even a very relaxed core can offer strength, and that can be done in the posture we call Mayurasana. So Mayurasana is a pose that's often taught by bringing your elbows into your abdomen. If you're a girl and you do this, it won't be nice because often it squashes the breasts. So if you're attempting this posture, you can squeeze your elbows inwards and then bring the hands on the floor. And eventually from that position, careful for the wrists, I usually take them back, head down, and then slide the wrists forward, knees back. Then drop the abdomen. Look how my abdomen is relaxed. And I lift the head up. Just this much is enough, but if you wish, lift the legs. If you wish, breathe into the abdomen. And the abdomen is where the breath should be. Come back down. This posture is okay, but it's difficult for some people to do. So a better way to practice and get the benefits of this practice is to simply massage your abdomen with your hands. So if you take your thumb into the sides of your kidneys and put the fingers into the abdomen, really relax your abdomen. Look how deep I can go. I can make my abdomen hard or soft. Any muscle you can't relax is as useless as a muscle you can't tense. So it's very important to relax the abdomen. Go fingers right in deep, press in deep, now breathe into the abdomen. And like a sponge you squeeze with your hands, squeeze the abdomen with your fingers and use that to exhale the air. Again, breathe into your abdomen. It should feel like there's a balloon under your fingers, pushing your fingers out. Then let the air come out by squeezing the abdomen. Now the breath will go deeper if you open the pelvic floor. Breathe into the abdomen and you'll feel your perineum perhaps push outward without tensing the anus. This is a type of mula bandha. Then use the fingers to take the air out and then release. And notice how the abdomen feels now a bit warmer because by getting rid of all the stale blood, now fresh blood comes back. This also helps you improve the function of your immune, digestive, reproductive systems. But you can go a bit stronger. If that feels okay, then maybe you can try not Mayurasana, do Hasta Mayurasana, which in some forms is a 5th series posture. I'll show you a version of it. If you wish, you can kneel, and I'd recommend facing towards me. I'll turn sideways so you can see. What you do is you can again massage your abdomen. And you can stay just doing this, really, standing or kneeling. You could take your right arm up and then slide your left elbow into your abdomen. So notice my hand is pointing to the left, my abdomen and my ribs are being pushed inwards. And now I'm going to rest my body weight into the elbow on the left side. I put my right hand on the floor, my right forearm on the floor, left elbow into the abdomen and drop down. So my abdomen is very, very soft at this point, and I'm letting my knees slide right back. And the more I relax, the more the elbow digs into my abdomen. And this is the important part, the massage. But the benefits will come best if you can inhale to the abdomen. So notice my abdomen is breathing in and it expands. And I let the weight of my body let the air out. No forced exhale. Stay here as long as you comfortably can. Krishnamacharya used to say 15 minutes a day. But if you wish, you can go one step further, and if your abdomen is relaxed, lift your head, lift your knees. If your abdomen still feels relaxed and you can still breathe into the abdomen and talk naturally, you can lift your left leg up, turn it in and breathe into the abdomen. Put the left leg down, perhaps lift the right leg up, turn it in, breathe into the abdomen. If you wish, lean back on your legs and lift up the right hand. Breathe into the abdomen. And if it's comfortable, you can lift up maybe another limb, and maybe another limb. Check that when you're in the position, that your fingers and toes can move, and your tummy can breathe, and you're calm. Then release, and come back up. This is a fun posture, but the most important thing is the abdominal massage. So, either standing or kneeling, again massage your abdomen, we can do the other side. It's enough just to dig in with your fingers, really soften and massage the abdomen. Breathe into the abdomen, use the fingers to let the air out. Now if you wish, kneel again, face towards me, take your left arm up, put the right elbow into the abdomen, right hand points to right. Take the head to the floor, walk the knees back, and drop your hips down so your body weight rests fully on the elbow if comfortable. If not comfortable, don't do it. If you're menstruating, pregnant, etc., maybe it won't feel good at this point. I don't recommend doing it. On a full stomach, it can feel uncomfortable. So from this position, if there's no discomfort, breathe into the abdomen, let the abdomen fully relax. And if you feel you're totally able to relax in the abdomen, maybe for a minute or more, you may wish, if you wish, to lift the knees, lift the head up. Breathe into the abdomen. So some of the weight's on your feet, some on the left hand, but a lot of the weight's on your right elbow. Then notice, if I relax my abdomen, I sink down. If I tighten my abdomen, I come up. Up abdomen, tight abdomen is like gymnastics. Relaxed abdomen like yoga. Then from there, if you wish, take the right leg up, turn it in, breathe into the abdomen. Right foot down, left foot up, turn left thigh in, breathe into the abdomen. Stay or bring both legs down, take the weight in the legs, lift up the hand, and breathe into the abdomen. Stay or more, and perhaps find a way of lifting 1 or 2 or 3 limbs. Check fingers can move, neck can move, tummy can breathe, and you're calm. Check you can talk normally. Anytime you can't talk normally, breathe naturally, that's when stress comes. And what we want is to move blood, but keep calm. And that's what's going to give you the best, most functional practice. Thank you very much. Write to me, and I've got lots more to share.